we're going to order today the chim cao nhong, which roughly translates to fried pigeon. And what we're going to do is we're going to eat what we choose. So we're going to pick a nice plump pigeon. We're going to find the one that looks the least frightened. What do you reckon? A nice plump one, right? All right. Now this restaurant is awesome. And they've also got a range of other delicious delicacies. Sorry boys, just taking footage. Look at this, we got some frogs, eels, and a frog on a turtle. All right, delicious. All right, look at this. Let's get this bird. This looks like a good one. A good one? Yeah, it feels kind of plump and delicious. All right, brilliant. Thank you, my friend. Can I follow? Okay, let's do it. He's running off with the bird. There he goes. Here we go. Hello. I'm going to watch this bird, yeah? It's okay? Oh, here we go. Oh, the head's already off. That was quick. All right, you don't muck around. No. Yeah, it's already... Oh, it's not cut. Not cut yet. Ah, okay. Yeah, all right, here we go. Ah, you got to soak it to defeather it. I see. Oh, wow, that's so easy. Oh, it's come straight off. Look at that. Super quick. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, is this eel? Oh, it's eel. Yeah, I see. Oh, and they go into the, I guess they get steamed? Look at that, he's defrocked the chicken now too. That is an amazing job. That's so quick. Look at that. Brilliant. Go. Ready to be put in the oil? Looks like they're boiling it down to get rid of any impurities, I'm assuming. That's what I'm guessing. Not a lot of English spoken here, so we're going to work it out as we go. That's a little bird. There's not much going on there, but I'll eat it all. Alright. Here we go. Some greens. A little bit of, I think that's fish sauce. What's this? Some special ingredients. Okay. Oh, there we go. Look at that. There we go. All right, let's see what he's got here. Oh, it looks delicious. He's done a good job. Yeah? Okay. Okay, thank you, my friend. All right. That's what you want. That looks delicious. Now that is a good looking bird. There we go. All right. Yeah, even eat the claw apparently. Just give it a little dip. Little dip. And there we go. All right. Let's have a crack. Pigeon claw. Oh yeah. You think it's okay? All right. Here we go. Let's do the head. Looks good. Oh, I feel brainy already. Very beautiful.